Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have just a quick weekly cleanup. I'm just going to get everything straightened up throughout the house. I'm not going to do a lot of deep cleaning, just get everything to where it's not so messy and I can kind of relax and not worry about anything. So if you need some quick motivation to get you going this week, then just keep on watching. So I just quickly wanted to say, if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for coming over and checking out today's video. My name is Mandy, and on this channel I do a lot of cleaning motivation along with some decluttering and organization. I want you to please excuse my voice. I'm kind of under the weather right now, but I wanted to say thank you so much for coming by. If this is something that you're interested in, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below before you go. Also hit that notification bell because sometimes YouTube just doesn't let you know that I've uploaded anything. So it doesn't cost you anything, and it just reminds you every time I have a new upload. Also, if you are returning to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much. I have missed you guys, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, it's just a lot of getting some stuff cleaned up from during the week. This is something that I do usually when I get home from work, so it's not a lot of deep cleaning, but I'm going to go ahead and let the music play, let you guys get some good motivation. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Also, if you're new, I would love for you to introduce yourself. I love talking to you guys and getting to know you. So I'm going to go ahead and get off of here and let you watch all the cleaning magic. So I will see you in just a few minutes.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. Give me somebody, somebody to love. I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tired and
Okay guys, so everything is now picked up and cleaned up. I hope you got some good motivation to get some of your stuff cleaned up and tidy today. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I also wanted you guys to remember that everything does not have to be perfect all the time. Just whatever makes you happy and keeps you comfortable. I still have a lot of laundry left in the corner to do, and I'm not going to stress myself out over it. But like I said, I hope this gave you a lot of motivation today. If it did, go ahead and click that subscribe button below if you're not subscribed already. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. Thank you again so very much for coming by and checking out today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stick around, and I hope you come back. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.